Hi, this is Max, and this is a quick start guide to PullOut script. It's a standalone script based on the one of my most popular plugins for WordPress. It's a PullOut Widgets for WordPress, and this script will work on any website, whether it's WordPress or non-WordPress. This is how to use it. I have a basic website here. It's a one-page website, which is basically a bunch of paragraphs, and if we look at the code, there's nothing there really. We got just content, no scripts, nothing. So I identified a piece of content that I would like to make as a PullOut widget, and I wrapped that content into a div, and I assigned an ID, unique ID to this div. So now I'm gonna go show you my file structure. This is my website with a test HTML page, and this is the plugin, the PullOuts. Let's go and open documentation. I'll just drag it into a browser, and here's a nice little documentation. Let's go to installation. The installation, well, I broke it into 3 steps. The first step is download the plugin from Code Canyon, unzip it, and rename the unzipped folder into PullOuts. Usually Code Canyon has some numeric value added to the folder name, so just to make it easier, you can rename it for yourself to PullOuts. Now, step 2 would be to copy this piece of code and paste it into your HTML page, the page that will be displaying the PullOut widget. If you have a dynamic website, this should go into a footer. Anyway, let's copy this and paste into the code of my HTML page. Let's go back. I have it open actually right there. And we'll paste it at the bottom of the file before the body closing tab. Now, since my current website is in subfolder, we need to change this path to relative path so the scripts work. Now I'll save this thing. Let's take a look. The third step would be to generate the actual code. This is the settings for the PullOut widget settings code, which we will generate with the code generator that is located in the PullOuts admin. So we'll go to PullOuts admin. PullOuts admin. There's another index HTML. We'll just drag it into our browser, and here's the code generator. So here we need to enter the ID, the CSS ID of our PullOut widget, but because I already identified it with the same ID as a default ID here, then I'll just leave it alone. Now we'll choose our positioning. I'll change it to, let's say, 250 pixels from the top. I'll go to the behavior, it's on click. There's the ease out bounce effect, style. Let's choose some kind of awesome color, text. Let's give it something like that. Link color, like that. No round corners, borders. Yes. We can add an icon, and let's say, oh, we want a vertical tab since it's on the right. We'll minify our code. Oops. Generate code. This is our settings code. Now we need to paste it into. According to the step 3, we need to paste it into PullOut.js, my PullOut widgets JavaScript file. So we need to go back and JS. Here's my PullOut widget file, and let me edit it. I paste it here and save. Now I go back to my test page and refresh it. As you can see, my first highlighted paragraph disappeared, and nice slick PullOut widget appeared on the side where I wanted it. If I click on it, there you go. So this is how easy it is. Basically, all you need to do just to make these scripts at the bottom of your file, and then paste the settings of your PullOut widget in this my PullOut widgets JS file. And you can have multiple widgets, and that could be triggered by different actions and have different colors and stuff.